Animal Form and Function 2, Lecture 18, Reproduction and Development. Here you can see in the diagram that is conjugation, that is sexual reproduction in the paramecium. First of all, you start from the one individual having two individuals just come close together, will transfer their nucleus from one animal to another animal, conjugation takes place, and then new individual will be produced. Reproduction and development. Today we will discuss about asexual reproduction in invertebrates, then advantages and disadvantages of asexual reproduction. Budding. Another method for asexual reproduction in the lower invertebrates. They produce by the budding. They form the small protuberance that will increase in the size and will form a separate individual. Example is the cnidarians, hydra, sponges. Certain cells divide rapidly in these animals and develop on the body surface to form an external bud. Here you can see the tiny bump appears on parent hydra, then parent hydra develops a bud, and then this bud will grow into a separate individual. This bud breaks off to become independent hydra. The bud cells proliferate to form a cylindrical structure that will develop into an animal that breaking away from the parent colony. If the buds remain attached with the parent, then they form a colony, a group of closely associated individuals of one species known as colony. Internal budding is present in the freshwater sponges that produces gammules, that is collection of many cells surrounded by a body wall. Parent body dies and degenerates. Gammules give rise to new individuals. Here you can see that is the obelia part of hydroid colony. Tentacles are there, pericercal annuli is there, medusa bud is there, cynosarc, gonopore, gonotheca, blastostyle, and hydrocephalus is there in the obelia colony. Fragmentation is asexual reproduction in which body part is lost that regenerate into a new organism. Present in the cnidarians, platyhelminthes, rhynchocoel, echinoderms. In echinoderms, if the starfish have the discoidal area in the arm, then it will regenerate into a new organism, new starfish. And if the piece of arm is cut down and no central disc is there, then there will be no regeneration of complete individual from the lost part of the arm, but the missing part will be regenerated by the starfish. For example, in sea anemone, as the organism moves, the simple pieces break off from the adult and move into a new individual. Here in the diagram, there is planarian fragments, and each fragment will divide and will produce the separate individual. Parthenogenesis. Certain flatworms, rotifers, roundworms, insects, lobsters, some lizards, some fishes that reproduce by parthenogenesis. If male is present, then sexual reproduction takes place, and in certain cases, if female is only present, there is no male, then they reproduce without the sperms. And reproduce another individual. If the sperm is present, then normal fertilization. If no sperm, then virgin production is there. Most parthenogenetic animals can also reproduce sexually in life history. Spontaneous activation of mature egg followed by normal egg division, subsequent embryonic development. That activation may be by chemical, maybe by temperature, maybe by another source if sperm is not available. Here you can see in the diagram both male and female are present. Then sperms will activate the egg, will enter into egg, will activate the egg, and then zygote will be formed and new individual will form. In case there is no sperm, no male, then Electric shock can activate the egg, will start the division, and will form the haploid individuals. In fact, the mature eggs of species do not undergo parthenogenesis. Sometimes deactivated develop without fertilization by pricking them with a needle, by exposing them to high concentration of calcium, by altering their temperature. Because parthenogenetic eggs are not fertilized, they do not receive male chromosomes. Offsprings would thus be expected haploid set of chromosomes only from the mother. In some animals, meiotic division is suppressed and diploid number is conserved, so they have two main number. They don't have haploidy. Other animals, meiosis occur both an unusual mitosis returns the haploid embryonic cells to the diploid condition. Here you can see a female and male is not required. Then will produce a separate individual. In the lizards, overall, animals that reproduce parthenogenetically having the less genetic diversity than chromosome sets from the two parents. Advantages for animals. They are well adapted to relatively stable environment. However, in meeting the challenges of the challenging environment, parthenogenetic animals may have less flexibility, which may explain why this form of reproduction is relatively uncommon. Then role in social organization of colonies in the honeybees, in the wasps, in the ants. There are a larger number of males, known as drones, that are haploid and produce parthenogenetically. Sterile female workers and reproductive females are produced sexually, having the 2n number. Here you can see in this diagram, the honeybees are forming the comb, honeycomb. Thanks.